Good morning, Nigerians. My name is Chief Kayode the Akogun Agbekoya of Yoruba land worldwide. I decided to remain silent for a while because of what is happening in Grand community. Anytime I come out to tell Nigerians the truth, people will come out insulting me, laying calls on me, because I'm trying to save you from the hand of scammers in Grand community. So that's why I came out in December. I said, give your money to anyone you like. And this give an opportunity to a lot of people to come out again to scam the poor masses. And it's very, very painful. I want to let you know that, firstly, all these grants they were calling names like Pioneer Grant, CBN Grant, IMF Grant. I'm telling you, it's a scam. And Apostle Ken Wakama doesn't know about this grant. I swear to Almighty God, I swear with my life, he doesn't know anything about it. I called him today. I said, sir, see what is going on in Grand community? He said, yes, that he's not happy about it. Apostle Ken has nothing to do with IMF. It has nothing to do with CBN or pioneers. This woman called Ngozi Israel, or what they call her, she's a bloody scammer. She's a criminal. And what really pained me a lot is that some people in Grand community, there are some people I love so much, like Kendra and Agba. I don't know the reason why they fell into the trap of this useless bloody scammer. Woman can call herself Ngozi Israel. She's a bloody scammer. If you are not a scammer, madam, go ahead and sue me. You see, this is the people in Grand community. I don't know the reason why. So a lot of you are learned. Why a woman will be using your head? Let's take it for example. Even though this Union Bank, if Union Bank has a program, can Union Bank come out and say we are giving this program to public, go and sell it for us? Talk less of almighty CBN. There's nothing like CBN slot, nothing like government slot, nothing like Pioneer, nothing like IMF. IMF, they don't deal with NGOs. They deal with government of the country. Go and make your research very well. Go and Google it. They give loan, they don't give grant. It's all a scam. Apostle Ken doesn't know about it. And I'm giving you assurance that UAG will pay it. Yes, by God's grace. I surely believe that UAG with his boss. UAG sanctuary worked with his boss. By God's grace. This man, you know, he lost a mother. The mother is still in mortuary, working hard for you and I to get this money before you go for burial. You know how Igbo they count their burial very important. But he left her mother inside the mortuary up to today. We have to sit down and think about this. For him to do that, you know, he has a mission and he knows he's going to deliver. By God's grace, he will deliver. Go and write it down today. Apostle Ken Wakama will deliver by God's grace. So you people that have been collecting money here and there, Pioneer grants, we fell into another one before intervention, and another one came in. Pioneer, this and that, CBN, all these things. It's a lie. It's a lie from the pit of hell. They were scamming you. And you, this woman, call yourself Ngozi Israel. You are a mother. You have children, and they are eating out of this scamming, and you don't have fear of God. God will pay you back. I'm so annoyed. I'm not happy about it. If you pay anybody, forget about the money. You are not going to if you collect this grant, call me bastard. Go and Google everything. You people call yourself, you are learned. You have professors in the Grand community, doctors. You have a lot of you there that are learned, but you people, you don't know what is going on. Can CBN give anybody say go and sell slot for me? How? So I just want to use the opportunity to tell you people that be careful about all this scamming that are. You see, they are giving you different stories. They will pay so day. They say they will talk say maybe because of another thing. I don't want to tell another story now. Say because of Muslim this thing that is going on. That's why they could not be paid after the Salah. They will pay. It's a lie. Just wait. I told you people. I said wait for Apostle Ken. When time comes, this man will come out and tell Nigerians that okay, so day I'm going to pay. Even though I Akogun will come out to tell you if the time comes. There's a lot we are doing underground too, which we know that it will come to reality by God grace. We will still help our people. Stop paying to the hand of the scammers. You are just empowering them, you are giving them money to sponsor their lives. God bless you, Nigerian. That's all I have to say. Bye for now.